brings the rite of spring. Morning dove and the sparrows sing.
Hello, today I will show you a very simple recipe for apple strudel.
Reborn.
We will need the following ingredients: 3 large apples, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of gold raisins, 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, 1 sheet of puff pastry, 1 egg for egg wash, and icing sugar for sprinkling. Preparation: wash and peel the apples.
Heavy air and the smell of rain. Muddy grasses across the plain. Red-winged blackbird, soft refrain. Reborn.
Cut them into thin, medium-sized pieces.
I recall everything once more.
In a large bowl, mix the following ingredients: sugar, flour, breadcrumbs, raisins, and ground cinnamon.
As the winter comes to pass,
Add the chopped apples and mix thoroughly.
every leaf, every blade of grass, reborn. In the warmth of the
Unroll the ready-made puff pastry,
I recall everything
dust with flour,
once more.
and roll it out a little.
The sun, everything and everyone reborn.
Divide the pastry into 3 equal parts. Make light marks only, do not cut through. Cut off triangles from the outer section at both ends.
When the sage brings the rite of spring, morning dove and the sparrows sing. Through the light that the sun will bring.
Cut the outer sections on both sides into diagonal strips, approximately 2 centimeters wide.
Sleeping on the wall, swallowtail heeds the northern call, and the last of the frost will thaw. Reborn in the warmth of the spring. I recall everything once more.
Fill the middle section with apple filling.
And the smell of rain. Muddy grasses across the plain. Red-winged blackbird, soft refrain. Reborn in the warmth of the spring.
Cover both ends of the filling
Once more.
and continue with individual strips. For a more interesting look, twist the strips or simply fold them smoothly over the filling.
As the winter comes to pass, every one of
Whisk an egg
In the warm of the spring,
and brush it over the entire strudel.
I recall everything once more. In the light of the sun, everything.
Bake for about 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once cooled, lightly dust with powdered sugar. Enjoy!